Let's supercharge your spoken English with these fantastic daily phrases. Look at number 1 on the screen. How's your day going?
Hello everyone. I am Ava. This is my YouTube channel, Podcast English Family. Today we will learn daily spoken English sentences. These sentences are useful in school, in the office, and while cooking a meal. Let's start. Daily spoken English sentences in school. Morning at school. Good morning. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. Are you ready for class? Please come inside. Take your seat. Sit properly. Keep your bag here. Open your notebook. Take out your pen. Listen carefully. Do not talk. Raise your hand. Stand up. Sit down. Write your name. Write today's date. Read the first line. Speak loudly. Repeat after me. Very good. Well done. Talking to friends. Hi, how are you? Did you complete your homework? Can you help me? What is the answer? Let us study together. Do you understand this question? I did not understand this lesson. Please explain it again. That is easy. That is difficult. I forgot my book. Can I borrow your pen? Thank you so much. You are welcome. In the classroom. Please be quiet. Do not make noise. Focus on your work. Finish your work on time. Time is over. Submit your notebook. Check your answers. Correct your mistakes. Try again. You can do it. Do not be afraid. Ask questions freely. Practice every day. During break time. It is break time. Let us go outside. I am feeling hungry. Let us eat together. What did you bring today? I brought rice. I brought sandwiches. That looks delicious. Share with me. Please wash your hands. Drink water. Do not waste food. Play safely. Do not run too fast. The bell is ringing. Let us go back to class. Daily spoken English sentences in the office. Morning greetings. Good morning, everyone. How was your weekend? Did you sleep well? Have a nice day. Let's start the meeting. Please take your seat. Turn on your laptop. Check your email. Reply to the message. Send the report. Finish this task today. Talking to your boss. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I have completed the work. I need some guidance. Can you explain this task? I will try my best. I will submit it by evening. I am working on it. There is a small problem. Please give me some time. Thank you for your support. Talking to colleagues. Can you help me with this? Let us work together. What is your opinion? I agree with you. I do not agree. That is a good idea. Let us discuss it. Let us take a short break. Are you free now? Can we talk for a minute? Please check this file. Did you send the email? The client is calling. Please answer the phone. During a meeting. Let us begin the meeting. Today we will discuss our project. Please share your ideas. Speak one by one. Do not interrupt. That is an interesting point. Let us think about it. We need a better plan. We must improve our performance. Please note this down. The deadline is next week. We must finish on time. Thank you for attending. Office routine sentences. I am feeling tired. I need some coffee. Let us go for lunch. I will be back soon. I have a lot of work today. This task is urgent. Please hurry up. I will call you later. See you tomorrow. Have a safe journey home. Daily spoken English sentences while cooking a meal. In the kitchen. I am going to cook dinner. What should I cook today? Let us make rice and chicken. First, wash your hands. Clean the vegetables. Wash the rice. Cut the onions. Peel the potatoes. Slice the tomatoes. Chop the garlic. Turn on the stove. Put the pan on the stove. Add some oil. Heat the oil. Cooking process. Add the onions. Fry until golden brown. Stir it slowly. Add some salt. Add red chili powder. Add turmeric powder. Mix it well. Cover the pan. Cook on low heat. Check the food. Is it ready? Add some water. Let it boil. Do not burn the food. Stir again. Taste the food. It needs more salt. Add some spices. Cook for 5 more minutes. Talking while cooking. Please pass me the knife. Bring me a plate. Where's the spoon? Give me a bowl. Open the fridge. Take out the milk. Close the fridge. Wash the dishes. Dry the plates. Clean the kitchen. Serving the meal. The food is ready. Please come to the table. Wash your hands before eating. Sit properly. Take some rice. Take some curry. Do not waste food. Eat slowly. Is the food tasty? Do you like it? Thank you for cooking. You're welcome. I am happy you liked it. Daily evening sentences at home. How was your day? I am tired today. School was good. Office was busy. Let us relax. Turn on the TV. Do your homework. Finish your work first. Help me in the kitchen. Clean your room. Fold your clothes. Put your shoes in the rack. Get ready for bed. Brush your teeth. Say your prayers. Good night. Sweet dreams. Polite daily English sentences. Please help me. Thank you very much. Excuse me. I am sorry. No problem. It is okay. That's fine. May I come in? May I go out? Can you repeat, please? I did not hear you. Speak slowly, please. What do you mean? I understand now. Daily motivational sentences. You can do it. Do not give up. Keep trying. Practice every day. Learn something new daily. Speak English confidently. Do not feel shy. Mistakes help us learn. Confidence is important. Believe in yourself. Thank you for watching. I am Ava. This is Podcast English Family. Practice these sentences every day. Speak them loudly. Use them in real life. Do not be afraid to speak English. The more you practice, the better you become.